Have you ever wondered how people get started with crypto trading but felt confused by all the big grammar and charts you have been seeing? Don't worry, okay? In today's video, crypto trading for beginners, step-by-step guide in investing in cryptocurrency safely. I'm going to break everything down in the simplest way possible. So even if you're a complete beginner or novice, I'm going to make it clear for you so that you will understand it. Before we continue, get this quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice. Cryptocurrencies involve risk and prices you see can easily go up and down. So always do your own research properly and only invest money you can afford to lose. Now let's begin. Many beginners enter crypto because they hear story of the people making money, or their friends are trading, or probably they see social media posts about Bitcoin or crypto trading and they have interest. But here is the problem many don't know. Most beginners don't understand what crypto trading is. They don't know the difference between trading and investing, and they don't know how to manage risk properly. So as a result of that, they buy at wrong time, panic when price drops, and sell too early, or they lose money due to lack of knowledge. Crypto, you see, is not a magic and it is not gambling if done properly. But without education, it becomes risky for you. So that's why today I'm going to explain everything step by step. Step number 1, learn before you invest. Hear it again. Learn before you invest. Do not rush. There is money in crypto trading. I trade almost every day and I make my money almost every day. You can go to Twitter and search for Sheyi Dairo. You will see my proof of earning. I make like $50 or more than that within a day. But what actually helped me is knowledge. I have learned it, which means you need to learn it properly by investing in yourself. You need to understand what Bitcoin is, what Ethereum is, how blockchain works, how market moves, and so many more. So if you have proper education about crypto trading, it helps to reduce emotional decisions. So I usually advise people that if you want to go into crypto trading properly, please go and learn it. Even if it will cost you money to learn it properly, please do. Because if you have been hearing about heartbreaking, boyfriend can break heart of girlfriend, girlfriend can break heart of boyfriend. If that is the heartbreaking you have known, you have not seen heartbreaking yet. Until you join crypto or forex trading, you will know the real heartbreaking. So to avoid this, you need to learn it properly. You need to be educated properly. You need discipline. I have a lot in my YouTube channel here, a lot of tutorial that will help you. I have testimony recently from someone that watched my YouTube tutorial and make money and many more. But that is not enough. If you have somebody that you can always get to easily for any point in time, please do. Even if it will cost you money, please do, because crypto trading is highly profitable and highly risky and dangerous. So to learn it, I have a lot of videos on it in my YouTube channel here. You have a lot of things to learn, and I have course. You can check the pinned comments. You see link to Sheyi Dairo Crypto Academy, or go to Google, search for Sheyi Dairo Crypto Academy, then be part of my student. I have students from different countries. Step 2, start small. Never start with money you need for rent, food, or school fees. Don't ever do that. Or someone keep money with you and you want to use such money. Don't ever try that. Start with an amount you are comfortable learning with, because crypto is highly volatile. Price move fast, so be careful. Step 3, choose a trusted exchange. This means use well-known regulated platforms in your region. So sample of it is this. When sign up with the exchange, you can go there to set your account security, identity verification. All those things are very important. Let me click on this account security. From here now, you can verify your account. You can see it here, identity verification. You can click on verify. Your password. This is where you can set your password, your mobile phone number, email address, Google Authenticator. Very important. So you should ensure you secure your account very well. It is very, very important. Step 4, decide either trading or investing. Which one do you want to start with? Now, ask yourself, do I want to trade short-term price movements or invest long-term? Ask yourself that question. If you are completely new, long-term investing is usually simpler to understand. Do you understand me? Because trading requires technical analysis, chart reading, emotional control. Hey, you don't know what I mean by emotional control, but when you get there, you will understand it. Emotional control and risk management skills. Do you understand? Do not copy random signals you are seeing online. No, you should understand what you are doing. Step number 5, use risk management. Never invest all your capital in one coin. Never do that. For example, you have like $100 you want to use for investments. So don't put all the $100 in one coin or one trade. Instead, you can divide it into 50, 30, 20. The first $50 is for one position. $30 is for another one. Then that $20 is for reserve. Just keep it aside. This helps reduce risk. Step 6 now, avoid emotional decisions. Many beginners panic. When price drops, they sell in fear. And when price rise, they buy out of excitement. But you know what? Smart investors stay calm and stick to their plan. If you don't know this, you are going to know it later. Now let's talk about the common mistakes. 5 common mistakes to avoid. I want to give you these 5 in order to save you from beginners' mistakes. The first one is following hype without doing proper research. Second one, believing guaranteed profit promises. Third one, investing borrowed money. The fourth one now, ignoring security. Yes, ignoring security. Now, the fifth one, trading without understanding the charts. Oh my God. If you trade without understanding the charts, that means you are gambling. Okay? Now, remember this. There is no guaranteed profit in crypto. Don't let anybody deceive you. There is no guaranteed profit in crypto. If anyone give you guaranteed about crypto trading, that means that person is deceiving you or they are looking for something to achieve from you in return. Now get this final encouragement I want to give you as a beginner. Crypto trading for beginners does not have to be complicated. No. If you focus on education, patience, risk control, and emotional discipline, then you can build knowledge step by step. Success in crypto is not by luck. It is about understanding and responsible decision making. So I think you enjoyed this little tutorial for beginners. If you found value in this video, please give me a like on this video. And you have questions, drop for me in the comment section. I will respond to that as soon as possible. You want to connect with me? Check the pinned comment or description to this video. You will see link to connect with me. Or do you want to enroll for Sheyi Dairo Crypto Academy? Check the pinned comment also. You will see link to connect with me and go enroll for my course. These 2 videos are very important. I want you to go and watch them. I love you guys. Till next time, see you guys in my next videos.